Welcome to English Library channel. I had some issues.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Did you have any issues? I didn't have any issues. Didn't you have any issues? One more. Once more. For now. Forever. At least. At last. Think about it. Don't think about it. Why don't you think about that? They will have changed it. Will they have changed it? They won't have changed it. Won't they have changed it? This happens every day. Does this happen every day? This doesn't happen every day. Doesn't this happen every day? I have some suggestions. Do you any suggestions? I don't have any suggestions. Don't you have any suggestions?
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா மறக்காம நம்மளோட சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. இதே மாதிரி நிறைய சூப்பரான வீடியோஸை பார்க்க மறக்காம பெல் ஐகானை கிளிக் பண்ணி ஆல் அப்படின்னு செட் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோங்க. மறுபடியும் இதே மாதிரி ஒரு சூப்பரான வீடியோவில் பார்க்கலாம். Until then, you take care. Thanks for watching.